Kentucky emergency alert system is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. A juvenile was abducted from 1266 Highway 60 in Ledbetter, Kentucky. Corey Calm abducted the juvenile from the bus stop after he assaulted the grandparent of the juvenile. Corey Owen was last seen leaving the area in a 2001 gold Chevy C25 with a license plate of a 9B240. The truck had a silver toolbox in the bed. Corey Calm is possibly en route to the Paducah, Kentucky area. If you have any information regarding this alert, please contact the Kentucky State Police.